multimeter. Analog multimeter is the instrument that used to measure electrical quantities in a circuit such as resistance, voltage, and current. It's an analog multimeter. Parts of analog multimeter. Function for each part of analog multimeter. There are some steps to measure resistor values using analog multimeter. Step 1. Calibration. Step 2. Need to set the range. Step 3. Disconnect the power before measuring resistance. Step 4. Measure resistance and read the move of pointer. Advantage and disadvantage of analog multimeter. Advantage: cheaper than